Let me tell you a story about David. David worked the same office job for 34 years. He showed up on time, kept his head down, and did everything right, just like he was told. Never started a side hustle, never invested, because why would he? The job felt stable, the pay was decent, and retirement seemed guaranteed. Now he's 67 years old, retired, and panicking. His pension barely covers rent and food. Instead of enjoying his golden years, he's on Google searching for part-time jobs because everything is more expensive than he ever imagined. Here's the saddest part. David didn't do anything wrong. He just played by rules that no longer apply. Relying on one income stream, that's what left him exposed. And if you're still depending on a single paycheck, thinking it's the safe option, you might be walking the same path without even realizing it. So in this video, let me share with you 5 reasons why you should stop relying on one income stream. Keep in mind, this is just my opinion from my own personal experiences. You know what nobody talks about when they tell you to just get a good job and you'll be fine? When you have only got one source of income coming in, you have zero power. Think about your current situation. When your boss asks you to work late, again, what do you say? When they pile on extra projects without extra pay, what do you say? You say yes, because what else are you gonna do? That paycheck is covering everything. And if you have a mortgage, you're basically locked in. Doesn't matter if that job is killing your soul. Let me tell you about my friend, Jake. Now, Jake and his wife both have good jobs and 1 kid. Life was comfortable. They could go out for dinner, buy stuff without thinking about it. Then his wife got pregnant with twins. Just like that, their budget was wrecked. Double the daycare costs, double everything. But their mortgage and car payments, they stay the same. Here's where it gets brutal. Jake hated his job. His manager was a micromanaging type of person who made every day miserable. Before the twins, he was thinking about finding something else. But after, he's stuck, completely trapped doing work that drains him because he's got a family to feed. Jake told me it was like watching their comfortable life slowly disappearing. They went from "we're doing great" to "how are we gonna survive this?" in just one doctor's appointment. That's the problem with one income stream. When unexpected things happen, you're in trouble. Here's something that keeps me up at night. What if everything you know becomes worthless? We're living through the fastest period of change in human history. If you think your job is safe because you have been doing it for years, think again. When you rely on one income source, you get comfortable, you stop learning, you do the same tasks over and over, thinking that's job security. But it's the opposite. Creating different income streams forces you to evolve, learn new things, stay sharp. Right now, AI is taking over everything. If your job involves anything repetitive, data entry, basic analysis, even some writing, it's probably being automated right now. Don't get me wrong, AI is amazing. It's natural evolution. The world changes and we adapt. But if you're stuck in one job doing the same things every day, you're not adapting. You're hoping nothing changes. And when your skills become obsolete, and they will, you lose that single income stream. Game over. But if you're already building side income streams, then you're constantly learning, experimenting, staying ahead of the curve. Even if one stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. That's not just smart, that's survival. Here's a hard truth that nobody wants to hear. You're probably not getting paid what you are actually worth. Think about it. Your boss isn't sitting there thinking, how can I pay this person exactly what they deserve? They're thinking, what's the minimum I can pay to keep them from leaving? And when you only have one income stream, you have to accept whatever they offer. You have no leverage to negotiate. We've been sold this idea that loyalty equals job security. Work hard, be loyal, and the company will take care of you. To me, that's complete nonsense. I saw this at my old workplace. There was this guy, let's call him Simon, who have been with the company for over 30 years. On his 30th anniversary, they threw him a party. Pizza, cake, the whole company gathering. But 1 month later, they laid him off. Restructure, they said. Truth is, after 30 years of pay rises, Simon became expensive, so they cut him loose and hired someone younger for half the cost. Simon's loyalty meant nothing. His decades of experience meant nothing. He was just a line item on a budget sheet. That's the brutal reality of single income dependence. No matter how good you are, no matter how loyal, layoffs happen for reasons you can't control. One income stream is one point of failure, and when it fails, you are left scrambling. But when you create your own income streams, you control your value. You decide what your time is worth. You're not at the mercy of some manager who's trying to hit quarterly targets. You know what's amazing about having multiple income streams? Suddenly, you have choices. Real choices, not the fake ones where you pretend you could quit your job if you wanted to, but you know you can't because rent is due next week. When you've got money coming in from different places, you can actually walk away from toxic situations. You can take that sabbatical you have been dreaming about. You can start that business idea you have been sitting on. But it's not just about the big stuff. Life throws curveballs at you constantly. Car breaks down, medical bills, family needs help. When you're stretching one paycheck to cover everything, these things become disasters. But when you have multiple income streams, they just become inconveniences. Let me tell you about my friend Kenny. Kenny was a university lecturer, smart guy, PhD, really passionate about what he taught. But he had this natural gift for sales. So while he's teaching during the day, he starts building a side hustle selling supplements. Nothing crazy, just testing the waters. Long story short, his side business started making more money than his lecturer's salary. A lot more. So he quit. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Because his business is international, Kenny can work from anywhere. Want to spend a year with his parents overseas? Sure. Feel like taking 6 months to travel the world? No problem. He doesn't have the restriction of a 9-to-5 job where he needs to get permission to go on leave. And the best part is he turns a lot of his income into passive income streams. So even when he's not working, money is still coming in. Kenny went from being trapped in a job, even one he liked, to having complete control over his time and choices. That's what extra income streams give you. Options. And options are everything these days. Here's the thing about relying on one income stream. You are literally trapped by time. Your salary is based on hours. You work 40 hours, you get paid a fixed amount of money. Want more money? You work more hours, assuming they even pay overtime. But there's only so many hours in a day. I know people working 2 jobs, thinking they're gonna save up more money, but they're exhausted. They have no time for family, no time for hobbies, definitely no time to think about building something better. To people with that mindset, more money always means using more time. And eventually, you run out of time to trade. Here's what they are missing. Time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. When you have multiple income streams, you break that connection. You're not just trading hours for dollars anymore. You're actually increasing how much you can earn per hour. Maybe you create a digital course that sells while you're sleeping. Maybe you invest in something that pays dividends. Maybe you build a side business that eventually runs itself. The point is, your income shouldn't be limited by how many hours you can physically work. This does get harder as you get older. If you're in your 20s, sure, spend that extra time working different jobs to gain experience or build side hustles. You've got the energy for it. But if you have a family, kids, your time becomes even more precious. That's when you realize how frustrating it is to sacrifice your limited time just to squeeze out a few extra dollars from a single income source that's potentially failing you. So that's 5 reasons why you should stop relying on one income stream. If this video sparks your interest in learning to start your own journey to owning multiple streams of income, make sure to check out this video here where I share 3 side hustles you can start with low capital and how you can identify what works for you best. That's it from me in this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.